Hi, I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is a moment of calm. Here at SHEFIT, we are all about support. So we've created 12 episodes of yoga and tips on how to break and find that little moment of calm in your day. Today we're going to continue working on releasing and restoring. Take a seat on your mat and extend your legs in front of you. Set yourself up well, so maybe roll all the fleshy goodness out from underneath you. If you know your low back is tight or your hamstrings are tight, bend your knees a little bit. And sit up tall, reach your arms up, and then bow forward any amount. It's not about touching your toes, it's just about creating more space. If you can straighten your legs, awesome. If you can't, awesome. Settle into your shape here, just breathe. One of the things I absolutely love about yoga is they say it's not about touching your toes, it's about what happens on the way down. So if you're consistent with your practice, even if it's 1 minute a day, the things you learn about yourself, what happens on the way to touching your toes, is what's really important. Start to come up, lie down on your back. If you have a block, grab it. If not, you don't need it. If you do have a block, lift your hips up, set the block right underneath your sacrum, enough so you feel supported on that block, and then take your legs up to the sky, legs up the wall. You can relax your hands at your sides. If you don't have a block, no worries. You can take your fists and put your fists where that block would go, just to give you that little bit of elevation. You can use a towel or a pillow, or you don't need anything. Just take your legs up to the sky. This inversion is really, really nice because it takes all of this freshly oxygenated blood you've worked so hard to get, and it kind of allows it to flush into all of your organs. Just breathe here. Take one more really big round of breath all the way in, and then let it all the way out. Slowly bring your legs down. If you're using a block, remove it. Come on to your side, and without rushing, all the way back up to a seat. Notice your space, physically, mentally. Bring your hands together. In support of each other, together we say, Namaste. Thank you for watching. I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is a moment of calm.